A new software update is rolling out for the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. In fact, this is the first update after unboxing this device. You can check the dedicated unboxing video for more information on what's inside the box, free storage, weight, etc. The size of this update is 245 MB. After installing this update, the mobile is upgraded to the January security patch. Yes, you heard that right. I'm thinking Motorola will release updates quarterly for this model. I mean, once every 3 months. The update process takes a very long time compared to other brands' mobiles. I'm using this mobile as my primary device. I'm making many testing videos and all of them will be coming soon on this channel. So if you don't want to miss those, right now click on subscribe and the bell icon beside it. As an early review, I'm loving this smartphone for the price I paid, but still there are some issues that I'm facing in day-to-day usage. I will update everything in the full review video. Alright, the update took almost 25 plus minutes to complete. During this process, do not press anything or perform any tasks because it may stop at that exact moment without saving. After updating the mobile, I used it for a few days and here is my personal review. I didn't face any issues, all apps and files are intact. Next, there are no lags or glitches. The battery backup is also the same and there is no degradation in the camera. That's the overall January update review of the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. If you want me to keep updating these as videos, let me know in the comments. You can check all the links of all the products and extra things I'm using in my everyday usage in the description box. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.